So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your TradingView subscription. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your TradingView account. Through there you can see your products, your community, markets, brokers, and your more settings. Now on there you can see some offers to upgrade to a better subscription. Now what you can do through there is to access your account if you want to cancel your subscription. So you can see your username, your settings and billing, refer a friend, help center, what's new, dark theme, language, and signing out. So you can click on settings and billing. On here, you can see your privacy preferences, account settings, active sessions, subscriptions, payment methods, billing history, subscriber status. So on there, focus on the billing part of the page, click on subscriptions. On here, you can see your current plan. So it's for our free plan. You can see your real-time market data, discover real-time market insights, get the latest data available for your analytics and real-time updates. So you can explore that as well. But if you're using some other form of subscription that's not just forever free, you can easily just click on cancel. And what I suggest you do is to do it quite quickly before you can access it and before you get billed for the following time period. Usually it's a month, and after that you will be able to remove, or rather you will be able to cancel that subscription. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.